Good morning. Welcome to another video. Don't kill me. It was a long week last week, so we're gonna get started with today. Today is I need to unlock this. Hold on. We gotta unlock it from the bottom. Shout out to all of you who have been helping me um, stay focused. So we are in May. We have 2 more weeks left in May. And if this is a little noise, you're going to have to forgive me. I'm going to try to talk louder. It's hot. I got my fan on. They're supposed to come fix the air, and it's been a week. So your girl has really been going through. But we're going to get started on today, which is the 19th. So we're going to go to our weekly. This is a planner that I created. It is not available because I got hacked and I am setting up a new website. But if you would like this planner, just email me. I am coming out with my mid-year planners, and I am going to be working on that this week. So that's one of the first things that I want to note, is that I will be working on my mid-year planner, which is really my teacher, but it comes out in different versions. Mid-year planners. They are horizontal. I don't know if I'll come out with a virtual. It's been a week, guys. It's been a week. I don't know if I'll come out with a portrait size planner. I got a few things to do. It is after 8:30, which means I'm late to work on purpose. I took the morning off to go to my daughter's school, so I need to figure out what Erin's money for her book fair. I'm all over the place, I know. I have a personal tutoring gig, so I tutor Mondays and Wednesdays. And so we're gonna put that here. I'm gonna put this here. Okay. We have some other events. We got graduation this week. So I think that's the 20th, but if it's off, I will fix it. I think it's during the school day. I'm not sure what our schedule will be tomorrow, but I definitely need to check it out. And if it's the wrong date, I would move it. My niece is graduating from high school, and she's having a party on Sunday. Not sure if I make it, but we are going to denote it because I don't know if I'll be out of town. I like to put on my weeklies the things I'm attending, not my task. And I do like a Monday start. So this is where we're at. Oh, I locked this. I am using Noteful. I'm using my 12.9 Pro planner, and I'm using my Apple Pencil. If you're new here, I was on GoodNotes, but I changed to Noteful a couple of months ago. So now we're going to add a few stickers. My stickers are basically still housed in GoodNotes. So I need to open that up. Guys, there's a lot been going on, and I am very quiet today because I'm in this journey of peace. I have deleted all of my social media except YouTube for the summer to focus on me and my business and the things that's going on in my life. It's just been a lot. I probably will tell you about it once it's all settled. But right now, just know that I am going through a lot. I like her. I hope this, because I'm just going to focus on work. I got a few prayers that I'm going to be praying while I'm focusing on what I need to focus on. It is personal. It has nothing to do with work, what I'm going through. But I'm just needing a change. I cannot continue to be going through the same thing over and over. And I told you all, I try to smile through my pain, but sometimes it just gets hard. So it's just one of those days. So I just got to keep reminding myself that I have this. I want to kind of like a to-do list. I think I want to put this like a picture behind her. So we're going to, I have a hard time when I'm setting up pictures to cover up some of the words. So I kind of want it behind her. There we go. But I need the words to show. Just preference. I'm going to put some type of background to that. And I hope this fan is not irritating when I edit, because if it is, this video will be lost. um, just some other updates. My students have makeup tests this week, so hopefully they pass their SOLs. So we do have makeup SOLs this week, so I do need to be working with my, but it's not, I'll put that on my weekly, but I do have makeup SOLs this week. I am going to be trying to go back to the gym this week. We do have Bible study on Tuesday that I said I'm going to start going back to. We are off Monday, so I do want to go somewhere this weekend, but I have no clue if I'll be able to. So I need to look at that. Let's move me down here. I do want to look at some backdrops. And I had set everything up in the elements section of my planner. So I'm looking for, there we go, something to go behind her. Y'all know I like silver. Once I get all of these images on here, I'm going to put them on a layer that they can't be moved. I don't know why this is not working the way I want it to work. There we go. Kind of want it over here. Probably needs to be cropped. Take off the extra space so I can get it the size I want. There we go. Do I want it to hold? I like to play with my stuff, so like it may start off like this, but maybe I'll change it as I see it. You know, a couple of days go by, and like, oh, manipulate. So only thing I need now is a to-do list. I kind of like this. I like abstract stuff. Again, I'm off social media because I want to focus. I won't be posting on Facebook or Instagram until, I don't know, I said this summer, but I still will be posting on YouTube. I just want to focus on one thing because I got too many irons in the fire. It's getting on my nerves. See how it won't let me, because it's an element, it's got to register. There we go. Girl, bye. And now I need a to-do list, or today, or call, or something. Girl, I can't see that. My mouth open. And I got a short to-do list this week. Okay, I'm done with this. I don't know if it'll stay like this. I know I want that bigger. Alright guys, that's the start of my week. I know this was not my usual video because of my quietness, but your girl's going to get it together. I do have a few prayers that I'm praying. I don't know if I want to put my prayer on here. I need it everywhere. So I got some prayers that I asked ChatGPT to work out for me. And I asked him to write me a 10-day prayer, so it will go somewhere in this planner. I definitely will be back most of this week because I'm behind and I want to catch up and I want to talk to you all. Pray for me as I pray for you, because I know this is trying times. The enemy comes to steal, kill, and destroy, and he is attacking big time in your relationships, in your businesses, and we have to stand strong because it's not what we see. And we have to believe that there's a greater purpose for us and that we can do better. And so even though you may cry and the tears may come and we may be sad for a moment, we know that peace lies within us and we have the fruits of the joy. And I'm going to laugh and smile, unspeakable joy, no matter what he throws at me, because I know that my future does not depend on my now and what God has in store for me. So I'm going to take the high road. I'm going to smile through it all, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. So until next time, happy planning, baby.